I'd say that's about the worst job a Texas cowboying I've ever seen in my life. Buddy knows this. He looks at you and says, "What the hell is with you, lady?" Come on, woman. The reputation of Texas jackass riders everywhere is resting on your shoulders. And so far, she's pulling it off, folks. Well, that's two asses we're looking at. And, well, yeah, get your lard ass off that donkey. Or get your ass off that ass, I should say. Indeed, Buddy the exceptional donkey goes back to his placid donkey grazing.
Says I can be ridden.
Oh God, we have another candidate. Squiggy. Introducing Squiggy the placid donkey. Then she asked permission of the donkey. And another cowboy bites the dirt. You okay? You okay?
I'm a busted lip.
Oh, fuck. Party.